Here we are. It's like in camp, but it's out. Job's a good one. Had a little wander about. Got myself set up to make a nice cup of tea. A little taste of hexamine. But the real reason I'm out this afternoon is to talk about this. The old Helikon Swagman Roll. And how darn good it is. First, we'll have a brew, and then we'll have a little waffle about this. I'd say kettle's boiled. What do you reckon? Right, let's make the tea. Be right back. You all know me by now. 2 tea bags, so it ain't worth it. Cheers. Beautiful. Lovely and peaceful, beautiful and green and lush after the rain we've had. Fantastic. Birds singing. Slight pungent whiff of hexamine in the background. And a lovely cup of tea. Oh. Right, I'm gonna sit and enjoy this for a few minutes. And we'll chat about this bad boy here. Cheers. Here we go. The reason I'm here to show off this fantastic piece of multi-purpose kit. It's the Helikon Swagman Roll. Part of their bushcraft line. And where are we? The company's in Poland, crafted in China. But nevertheless, a fantastic piece of multi-purpose kit. as it says here, I'll do a close-up photo in a minute, can be used as a poncho liner or like a cape. You can use it as a summer sleeping bag. You can use it as a inner sleeping bag liner to bulk out your sleep system if it's cold. Use it as a blanket, and you can use it if you need to as a hammock under blanket as well, to give you that little bit of extra insulation underneath the hammock, and rather than actually taking an under blanket out. Take a multi-purpose bit of kit like this. Shells 100% nylon. Padding is Climate Shield 67 milligrams squared. Size is 150 by 205 centimeters, 59 by 80 inches, and it weighs 712 grams. It's nothing, because it's not dense either. So yeah, whenever I go out, this is always with me. You know, even if I don't take a jacket, I can whip this on. I shall I'll pull it out of the bag and demonstrate some of its uses. So then, nice little zipper and clip there. Puts the stuff in tight quite nicely. You've got a handle here, makes it nice and easy to pull out. I think, as far as I know, it comes in this, like, you get the MTP. I think it comes in a coyote brown. I can't remember the other colour. There we go. It's not thick, but it does do the job. I've got it zipped up in its sleeping bag configuration at the moment. You can see the hood. Got a decent tie there, and you've even got a handy little pouch at the front as well, which the hood tucks into when you turn it into a blanket. Bags of room in there, just like any sort of poncho. You've got something to hang your keys on, or so there's a lot of thought gone into this, a lot of little extras. There we go. You can see that. Climate Shield, Helikon text. So we'll do a couple of wider shots and show you some of the different configurations. Configuration number 1. The light summer sleeping bag, or sleeping bag liner. It's got no real top or bottom, so you can have the zip either side, and even I've got in it. So usefulness number 1. Number 2, a blanket. It's a standard size, so it fit most ponchos. Go with other woolly blankets, poncho liners, everything similar like that. So the other waterproof poncho I've got, even though this does have an excellent degree of water resistance, I could put that over the top of this, and there are toggles on it, which if your waterproof poncho has got eyelets or grommets, it can attach to it. So extra warmth and extra water resistance. But yeah, so there it is as a blanket. You can sit on it, you can put it round you. Once again, eminently useful. And I'll do a close-up and I'll show you the pouch that the hood goes into. So then, just above where your little pocket is, you've got a little pouch, velcro shut. What you do is just fold the hood up, into there. Got a little bit of Velcro on the back of the hood. And that seals up any holes. Just turns it into a true blanket if you use it as a blanket or as a sleeping bag. Option number 3 is its 2 configurations as a poncho, which I shall now demonstrate. There we go. So then, second configuration, the poncho. You've got these plastic buckles, stretchy. So what you do, you've got one on the front, one on the back, or 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Put these round behind you, flip them in place, tighten it up. Okay. You've got the same here. Turns into a coat. Good movement, it's all elastic. Good in itself. You've got like a jumper on, got a poncho over it, warmth, waterproof, fantastic. Okay, one last thing I want to show you is how waterproof it is in itself. Just runs off bone dry. Superb. And there's your buckles and your toggles. As you go around. Elastic as well. It's your interior. So yeah, fantastic. Awesome bit of kit. Which I never leave home without. There we go. Just a closer view of the bag. Poncho, sleeping bag liner, blanket, hammock under blanket. Nice little ripstop bag as well. There we go, goes back into the bag, Nice and easy as well, no faffing about. There we go, great bit of kit. One bag, many uses. Jacket, blanket, sleeping bag, poncho, poncho liner, hammock under quilt, waterproof, warm, fits in your pack easily, fantastic. I would like to thank Corporal Sean Kelly, Corporal's Corner. He's got a bushcraft channel out in the States. He's a member of the Pathfinder School. Link up there, watch his channel. Fantastic guy, very knowledgeable, very entertaining, and he's the chap who put me onto this, which I'm ever thankful. So yeah, fantastic, go and watch his channel. But yeah, what more is there to say? You know I like this, multi-purpose, useful, rugged, great bit of kit. One size fits all as well, which is handy for me. Right folks, that's me for today. Get yourself one of these, you won't regret it. Stay grizzly.